Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Anywhere. I'm Jaxis, and I'm happy to see you again. In today's episode, we're going to practice 100 simple daily routine sentences. These sentences are perfect for beginners. They are natural, useful, and easy to remember. You can listen, repeat after me, and practice speaking every day. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just relax and enjoy learning English with me. So, are you ready? Let's get started with our first sentence.
I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I stretch my body before getting out of bed. I stretch my body before getting out of bed. I make my bed after waking up. I make my bed after waking up. I open the curtains to let in some sunlight. I open the curtains to let in some sunlight. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I get dressed for the day. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. I check my phone for messages. I check my phone for messages. I read the news online. I read the news online. I water my plants. I water my plants. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I clean up my room. I clean up my room. I leave home in the morning. I leave home in the morning. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I take the train to work. I take the train to work. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. I arrive at work on time. I arrive at work on time. I greet my coworkers. I greet my coworkers. I check my emails. I check my emails. I start working on my tasks. I start working on my tasks. I attend meetings during the day. I attend meetings during the day. I take short breaks. I take short breaks. I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water.
I go to work or start my daily tasks. I go to work or start my daily tasks. I focus on my work throughout the morning. I focus on my work throughout the morning. I answer emails and messages. I answer emails and messages. I attend online or in-person meetings. I attend online or in-person meetings. I take short breaks to relax my mind. I take short breaks to relax my mind. I stretch my body during breaks. I stretch my body during breaks. I have lunch around midday. I have lunch around midday. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I talk with my friends or coworkers during lunch. I talk with my friends or coworkers during lunch. I go back to work after lunch. I go back to work after lunch.
I stay focused and finish my tasks. I stay focused and finish my tasks. I drink water regularly during the day. I drink water regularly during the day. I sometimes go for a short walk. I sometimes go for a short walk. I finish my work in the evening. I finish my work in the evening. I leave my workplace and head home. I leave my workplace and head home. I feel a little tired but satisfied. I feel a little tired but satisfied. I take off my shoes when I get home. I take off my shoes when I get home. I wash my hands after coming home. I wash my hands after coming home. I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes. I rest for a few minutes. I rest for a few minutes. I watch videos or listen to music. I watch videos or listen to music. I spend time on social media. I spend time on social media. I help my family with housework. I help my family with housework. I clean the living room. I clean the living room. I prepare dinner with my family. I prepare dinner with my family. I cook simple and healthy meals. I cook simple and healthy meals. I set the table for dinner. I set the table for dinner. I eat dinner together with my family. I eat dinner together with my family. I talk about my day during dinner. I talk about my day during dinner. I wash the dishes after eating. I wash the dishes after eating. I relax after dinner. I relax after dinner. I take a warm shower in the evening. I take a warm shower in the evening. I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I check my schedule for the next day. I check my schedule for the next day. I set my alarm for the morning. I set my alarm for the morning. I read a book before sleeping. I read a book before sleeping. I reflect on my day quietly. I reflect on my day quietly. I feel grateful for today. I feel grateful for today. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I go to bed early. I go to bed early. I close my eyes and relax. I close my eyes and relax. I fall asleep peacefully. I fall asleep peacefully. I usually sleep for about 7 to 8 hours. I usually sleep for about 7 to 8 hours. I try to have a good sleep every night. I try to have a good sleep every night. I wake up feeling refreshed. I wake up feeling refreshed. I start a new day with positive energy. I start a new day with positive energy. I repeat my daily routine every day. I repeat my daily routine every day. I try to improve myself little by little. I try to improve myself little by little. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I listen to English podcasts. I listen to English podcasts. I repeat sentences to improve my speaking.
I repeat sentences to improve my speaking. I build confidence step by step. I build confidence step by step. I do my best in everything I do. I do my best in everything I do. I stay consistent with my habits. I stay consistent with my habits. I keep my life simple and organized. I keep my life simple and organized. I stay motivated throughout the day. I stay motivated throughout the day. I believe I can improve my English. I believe I can improve my English. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy learning new things. I never give up on my goals. I never give up on my goals. I keep practicing even when it is hard. I keep practicing even when it is hard. I speak English whenever I can. I speak English whenever I can. I think in English more often. I think in English more often. I feel more confident every day. I feel more confident every day. I am becoming better at English speaking. I am becoming better at English speaking. I enjoy my learning journey. I enjoy my learning journey. I stay positive and keep going. I stay positive and keep going. Thank you for listening to this episode. Thank you for listening to this episode. See you in the next practice session. I hope these 100 daily routine sentences helped you practice and improve your English. Don't just listen once. Repeat them again and again until they feel natural. Remember, small practice every day brings big results over time. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Speak English Anywhere and stay tuned for more English practice videos. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving. I'm Jackson, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now, and take care.
Speak English Anywhere.